I heard someone say NFL football started today. Let's get some fan gear done. Hey everyone, Jennifer here with Creativity at Large. Today we will be making another oversized print using a small format printer. Let's get to it. I am using Microsoft Word to split my image. We start with our page setup. Set the landscape orientation. I want the smallest margins possible that my printer will allow. By changing the margins to 0, the computer automatically gives me a warning. Accept these changes. We are ready for our image. Click Pictures and Insert from Device. Add your design to your Word doc. I had to crop my image because I did not resize it before downloading. Resize your image so it shows from edge to edge horizontally. The image will be cut off at the bottom, and this is exactly what we want. Insert a page break to add a blank page. I inserted more than one. To remove the extra page, I backspaced until I only had 2 pages. Insert your image from this device on the new page. Now you can resize your image. Because I have the top image at 10.8 for width, I use this same measurement for the new image. This will ensure you can align the images correctly. Next, right-click on your image and select Size and Position. Select the middle tab for text wrapping. Click on the box that says in front of text. Now your image will move freely and you can line it up with the top image. I leave a slight overlap to allow for margins, and we will trim one image right to the edge. That way we can get the best seam possible. Of course, we are aiming for undetectable. It is time to print. Oh, I am excited to see this one. I hope you're enjoying this video. I am new to sublimation and learning fast. If you find value in this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I have tons of tutorials planned. I found the best shirts for these. They are color block and come in black, royal blue, burgundy, navy blue, and red. Sizes available up to 5X. This is a thick and rugged shirt. It definitely says fall. If you want a looser fit, I recommend sizing up. Now I am taping the transfer together. First, we cut one edge right to the image. The other edge, we want the white lip to help us line up our image. Take a couple of pieces of painter's tape and place it directly under the image with the white lip. This will help hold the pages together. Carefully, using the edge of the image you trimmed, begin to line up your 2 images. Here is where your best chances on that perfect seam are the most important. Be sure you are lining up the image detail on both pages, not the paper itself. If you need to reposition your images, lift them carefully. Finally, flip the pages over and tape them securely. Be sure painter's tape is not showing on the other side. It will press and melt into your t-shirt fabric. It can be the culprit of ghosting on your image. I use my squeegee to go over the tape and make it as smooth as possible. Time to prep our shirt. I have pre-pressed the shirt to remove any moisture. I used a lint roller to pick up the small particles on the shirt that can cause your print to have tiny defects. I have 2 sheets of copy paper positioned inside to prevent bleed to the back of my shirt. Here I use heat transfer tape to secure my transfer to the shirt. I am also using a small 15 by 15 press. I find it easier to prep the shirt on my work table and move to the press for the final steps. Look at those colors popping right off the shirt. This is it. That ink will not fade. I have all 32 teams ready. Don't wait until these sell out to say, Jen, I need a shirt.